Hey there my friends, you're watching Shadow Regime Airsoft, and today we will be guiding you through our F2000 underbarrel rail installation. These are available on our website at srairsoft.com. Rather than talk through the process, we believe it will be easier to leave the text on screen for you as you work on your replica and follow along with us. That's enough out of me for now, so I'll leave you to it. We hope you were able to easily follow along. If you had any issues or need any additional help, please contact us. To find products that give you an edge over your competition, check out our website at srairsoft.com, and we'll see you all next time.